Welcome to Building Destruction. Let's check out this game. How about we go on start and let's just go at demolition mode on supermarket to see what's this game all about. Alright. I mean, this kind of looks like Teardown. Really good details. Looks just like Teardown. Not exactly like it. I mean, it's still pixelated, but it's like the guns are not. What was that? Saw a little gas thing coming out? Okay. So what I'd like to do is in this game there's two ways to actually destroy buildings. Doing this. And I missed. That's a really good way. Also, we could do this. Grab one of these. Alright, well, that was a little traumatizing. Sage, as it says, defend, supply against enemies. Deathmatch is just fighting against other players. Build your own map. We're not gonna mess with that because that's no fun. Bro. Yo, what did I do? No, that's just crazy. Come here. Yeah, absolutely cooked. Come here. What is happening in this house? The whole thing is burning down. What have we done? Come here. That's just sad. Alright, well guys, I've been sitting here for like 50 minutes. There's nobody joining, so yeah, I might have to end it there. Oh wait. Where? Okay, bro. Yeah, we need to log in. Nope. Oh, there. Boom. Okay, I just killed myself too. Where are the players? Yeah, I'm gonna have to end it there because this thing is laggy, bro. And we're just gonna ignore the names that are popping here. It's so laggy. Somebody just left because of how laggy it is. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out.